Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be making a grappling hook out of a few simple pieces. These pieces are going to be a black megaphone piece, one black stud with no hole in the top, and two black studs with holes in the tops. There will also be a grappling hook, a bar with a clip at the end, and a string piece. Now, first, to make this grappling hook, take the megaphone and attach the black stud without a hole to the inside of the megaphone, or to the larger side. Now, once this is done, then take the two other studs with holes in the tops and connect them like this. Now that this is done, the next part depends on which you prefer, a grappling hook piece or the small bar with a clip piece. So, depending on which you prefer, take whichever one and take the inside of it and place it inside of the two studs. Now that this is done, take the megaphone and this piece and connect them together, and you have a grappling hook gun. Now, next, if you are looking for it to use for minifigures, like in a mock or some types like that, this is what you can use the string part. Disconnect the two studded parts with the clip and the megaphone with the stud without a hole, and take the string and connect it in between them. Now you have a functioning grappling hook that you can pull apart and shoot, such as this example with the minifigure. Grab the end and connect the bar to the top. And now you have a grappling hook minifigure that can now scale the walls of his enemies. Well, there you have it. Lego grappling hook. Like and subscribe for more videos.